Book of Heaven, Volume 12, May 28th, 1918. The jealousy of the love of Jesus for Luisa is so great that he takes everything away from her. Finding myself in my usual state, I was saying to my beloved Jesus, "Jesus, love me. I have more right than others to be loved, because neither do I love anyone but you, nor does anyone love me. And if someone seems to love me, it is for the good that comes to them, not for me. Therefore, between my love and yours, no other love enters in the middle." And sweet Jesus told me,
"My daughter, this is nothing other than my strongest love, and it is such that the jealousy of my love for you takes all things away from you. And my jealousy is such that I remain on guard, so that not even a shadow of love of creature may breathe on you. At the most, I tolerate that some may love you in me, but not outside of me. Otherwise I would make them flee. And this also means that neither have you entered into any heart, nor has anyone entered into yours."
Then, around nighttime, Jesus came back with the Queen Mama calling me by name as if they wanted me to pay attention. How beautiful it was to see Mama and Jesus speaking to each other. The celestial Mama was saying, "My son, what are you doing? What you want to do is too much. I have the rights of mother, and I grieve that my children have to suffer so much. You want to open heaven to scourges and destroy creatures and the food that will serve to nourish them. With infectious diseases you want to inundate them. What shall they do? You say that you love this daughter of mine. How much will she suffer if you do this? So as not to embitter her, you will not do it." And she pulled him toward me, but Jesus, determined, answered,
"I cannot. I divert many evils because of her, but not everything. My mama, let us allow the whirl of evils to pass, so that they may surrender."
Then they said many other things between themselves, which I could not fully understand. I remain terrified, but I hope that Jesus will placate himself. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.